Hi everyone. First tech video here from Pulse Fundamentals. It's gonna be cringe, but we just need to start. Originally, I just wanted to make some smart meter data collection devices. And during the research, I noticed that was not actually my problem. Let's just take a look at this graph here. Can you see it? Oh, look at the price. 1 unit cost is more than $1 per kilowatt hour. You know, one dollar is about 7.2 crowns, Danish crown. So the question is, should I rather have my equipment on all the time, or during those periods with high kilowatt hour costs? But this saving during these hours is not about data. It's about having the equipment shut the damn off. And this is totally out of my control. Yeah, this is social, economical politics, which we cannot talk too much about, otherwise we will be punished. The prices are set at an auction down in Germany or something like that, and I can see them for 2 days in advance what the prices are going to be, so I can plan ahead when I should make dinner. Sometimes like that day, the one with the red, I should have made dinner around 6 o'clock in the morning, and just a quick reheat, or make no dinner at all, just eat bread. So I needed to shift my focus on from data collection to appliance control instead, based on the unity cost. And I don't need any data collection to do that. I need to control electronics to do that, because I can just read the cost from a web page and say no, and put a relay on or something like that, and say, okay, you're not turning on at this hour. If anything's on, then of course the relay should detect that and notify the user that you are doing something very expensive. So that's basically what I want to do. But since I am committed doing data collection devices, and I have been for a long time now. I would need to make this. I want to make this, and I am then going to make these damn collection devices. What we are talking about is the optical port, the infrared port, the P1 port. So the plan is to make some short videos, 1 to 3 minutes, about each of these devices, how they work, how we are going to make them, and stuff like that. Build video will be then in another video, another short video after that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more content like this.